We present to you company EDP Komořany, a production company which operates in the field of engineering and furniture production. With respect to our large production capacity potential in the areas of metalworking and wood processing, we are able to offer our spare capacities to our business partners. We employ about 570 people in the field of engineering and about 60 people in the field of wood processing. We specialize in processing of carbon steel and galvanized steel plates, stainless steel plates, aluminum and other non-ferrous metals. As an example, here are some of our production technologies: laser cutting, stud welding, bending presses, press machines, robotic welding, paint shop, titanium surface treatment, joinery. The joinery plant in Komořany is fitted with high-tech equipment for large-sized laminated and veneer material manufacture. We also process solid wood. The joinery produces furniture including upholstery and equipment for interiors, especially for the entertainment industry. The cutting operations are carried out on the 2D laser machine Novomatic L3530. In case of this 2D cutting machine, only the cutting head moves while the material on the table remains in a fixed position. This machine can process structural steel up to the maximum thickness of 20 mm, stainless steel up to 12 mm and aluminium up to 8 mm of thickness. The combined Novomatic TC7000L is a new, highly efficient machine. During the work process, it combines the cutting press head and the laser head. When processing small parts, only the cutting head moves, while the table remains in a fixed position. Combined machines can process sheet metals up to the thickness of 8 mm aluminium, stainless steel, as well as structural steel. The working maximal dimension of all cutting machines is 3000 by 1500 mm. Stud welding can be performed either manually or by use of the CNC welding machine HBS. CNC machines are able to weld up to 30 metal components per minute. HBS machine uses 3 welding heads. Each of them has 2 feeding units with an automated feeding system. This modern CNC machine has increased the efficiency, speed and productivity of welding. A specialty of the EDP is an automated bending center fin powered EBE. All the main functions and axes of the machine are controlled by a CNC system. The CNC bending center is mainly used for large-size part bending, such as the side and the back parts of the control cabinets. Bending presses are used for bending and pressing. One of the largest bending presses was supplied by Czech Company. This machine is able to bend components up to the bending length of 3060 mm with the pressing force of 2300 kilonewtons. Connecting material such as screws, nuts and other elements are pressed into materials using the Hager 618 Plus and Hager 624 Plus. Both of these machines are fitted with automatic feeding systems and are also equipped with the technology for cold joining of sheet metals, clinching, as an alternative to point welding. The sheet metals processed by this method do not require any pre- or after treatment, and there is no heat load of the connection either. Welding is divided into manual and robotic welding. Robotic welding is carried out by 5 robots by ABB company. Each of the robots is equipped with 2 welding tables. Welding of sub-assembly parts takes place in jigs, which are manufactured by EDP. The welding robots are fitted with welding power sources and a CMT system, both by Fronius. The complete painting line, supplied by Ideal Line Company, is divided into a surface pre-treatment area and the area for powder application in the spraying booth, followed by curing in a kiln. The maximum size of a painted component is 2000 by 900 by 1500 mm. Painting of small series and samples is carried out manually in a stainless steel booth, while the spraying machine with the option of manual spraying is used for painting of large series. Titanium surface treatment is carried out on the V1500U machine. This machine is used for application of thin layered, highly resistant and decorative coatings of electrically conductive refractory materials of titanium, zirconium, molybdenum and their gas compounds in a vacuum using the vacuum plasma method. The height of the vacuum chamber is 2200 mm and the inner diameter is 1100 mm. The joinery plant is equipped with the following 4 CNC machines: IMA BIMA 400, Wieke Optimat BHC 555, Homac Vantage 12L, SCM Sigma 65.